Inilibing na ang bangkay ni Rene Baterbonia sa kanyang hometown. Ang hirap talaga maging outsider. You have to endure so much just to prove to the group that you belong. Anong tawag dyan? Initiation. Hazing pa rin yan. Kung lalagpas sa dignity at safety ng isang tao ang ipapagawa para lang makapasa sa grupo, pasok pa rin ito sa anti-hazing law ayon kay DOLA Secretary Francis Tolentino. Ito ha, hazing is defined as any intentional or reckless activity expected of someone seeking membership in a group that degrades or endangers them, regardless of the person's willingness to participate. Specifically stated nga sa Anti-Hazing Law of 2018 ang forced calisthenics, alongside actions like paddling and beating. See? Alongside. May mga tao talaga na nakakakuha lang ng sense of self-worth by forcing others. Ang mga locals doon, alam na nila na napaka-dangerous ng water dahil sa mga riptide, pero pinilit pa rin silang ipalangoy doon kahit na hindi naman sila swimmers, lalo na si Adili, who never learned how to swim. Nakakakilabot talaga ang mga individuals who abuse authority. Magaling silang mangkumbinse. Kaya na lang they get away with all the violence they perpetrate. Bakit pa kailangan gawin yan? Other than power tripping, strategy ito ng abusers to gain loyalty from group members. Ang tawag dito ay trauma bonding. When they are made to undergo something traumatic together, they end up seeking support from each other because only they know how that feels like. So they form an attachment. And it even reaches the point that they also seek validation from the person committing the abuse because that's the only way that they can preserve their safety. And again, gain a place in the group. At isa pa, ngayon, dinadamay na ang ibang players sa kasalanan na nangyari when hindi naman ang players ang nag-enforce nun. Strategy din yan. When they are made to sin the same, then the blame is shared. If they are all sinners together, then they will protect each other, no matter the cost. But they are not. They are students. And their leaders have failed them and continue to fail them when they don't call out the abuse that just happened. Kaya na lang, it's so important to recognize abusive behaviors at wag na ilagay sa positions of power ang mga taong abusado. Huwag na sila bigyan ng chance mang power trip. Dahil kadalasan, nagiging cycle ito. Pag time na nila, mga abuso rin sila dahil yan na ang nakagisnan sa kultura ng hazing. That's why it's so important to use your voice and stand with those who are being abused. Because silence only always helps the abusers.